How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can easily connect a router to a switch and PC in Cisco Packet Tracer. So in my case, I've set it this way. Of course, you can configure it the way you want to, but first things first, let's connect our computers onto the switch itself. We are going to use the fast Ethernet connection by using this connection right here. Right after, place your router, and then of course with this one, we are going to connect it using the gigabit 00. Navigate through your router, click on the gigabit Ethernet 00, and of course you can set your IP address the way you want to. So with this one, let's do something like unique, which is going to be 192.168.5.1. You have to keep in mind this last two numbers because you are going to use this for the connection of computers. So since this is 0.5.1, the second computer should be 0.5.2. Let's apply to the third one, which is going to be our third employee. And then let's do 0.5.3. And now if we hit on or if we ping our devices, it should go ahead and be connected properly. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.